Nice now.
Gol i Gymru tro yma, da ni'n mynd ail greu gol Ben Woodburn efo 3 ex-chwaraewr rygbi Gymru. Andy Powell, Stephen Jones a Martin Williams.
I was there. I was actually
Corporate hospitality.
Mae'r bel comes in, mae Ostia, ffurio'r bel, bach yn shambles. Ben Woodburn, first touch, brilliant.
out to his feet.
Allan o'i draed, straight i gornel. Game bwysig iawn, ond nath ni fethu gael fewn i World Cup, ond we'll give it a go, boys. We'll give it a go. Like ni di sgorio?
Nah, Stephen. Powley. I think my money's on Powley for this one.
Dim underestimatio, Paul. Dwi'n meddwl gyda bo top bins, but bottom bins after in a sense. So,
Yeah. Martin Williams. Yeah, barod.
2009, John.
Forget 2009. That's out of my mind.
Nice nugget.
Nice nug. Woodburn.
A Lucas.
Jolie now.
Come on. Let's do that again. So on. Go on. A Lucas.
Ben Woodburn. Andy Powell.
What you doing now? What you want to do? Tight.
Nice.
Oh, Lucas.
Right, let's go, come on.
One more touch. Oh, Lucas. Keep it down. Oh, lucky. Lucas.
Stephen Jones.
Thanks for the lead, everybody.
Back with the drive. Lucas.
Oh, we're going to
Yeah. Nice stop. Finish. And dim gweithio fy'n happen. Da iawn, Steve. Mae'n dan y celebration. Da
That
iawn.
was a hell of a strike.
No pressure, boys.
Ti'n moyn gwrdd nawr, di?
Yeah, of course, for me. Of course. Benny Woodburn. Os dwi'n gael hon, ia, ti'n gorfod tweetio fi nôl yn dweud fair play. Worth a shout yndi. Neu gati cedi am ddim i fi. Testar. Ia, dwi'n gwybod. Ti wedi bod yn ddistaw, do? Be ddys di? Gyd ti sioi, fanna? Gyd efo? Ia, gael dy geg? Ia, finish, ia. A that. Diolch. Ond, ia, na, nes i ddeud, swn i'n dangos ein, do. A nes i ddeud, Woodburn, ti'n gorfod tweetio fi, ia. A mae'n ti gedi mewn ddim, os gwrs. So, da iawn, boys.
Thank you very much.
Da iawn. Diolch am ddod. Diolch am ddod.